Let's shake it. Ooh, look at that go. Hey, buddy.
Hey,
What are we doing today?
we're making a
Density tower. Cool. Okay, so before we get started, we should say you should always have a parent with you while doing science experiments. You look bored. Are you sure you want to do this?
I do.
Okay, cool beans. What do you have there?
Water. Spoon.
A spoon. What's in your hands?
A funnel.
There we go. And your food coloring?
Rose.
And what's that thingy?
A cup that is
Empty cup. And
Syrup.
syrup.
soap.
Just plain old dish soap.
And vessel.
Good job. To make our density tower, we should first add our syrup. Okay, and maybe a little more. Okay, let's stop there.
Yeah, it's like frozen.
It's just really, really thick. Okay, can we do our soap?
Okay.
Oh, there we go. Flip it over. Squeeze.
That's how it's squeezed.
Okay. It's very sticky.
It's
Cool, that looks pretty cool. And then we are going to take our, nope, not the oil, water. Yes, please. 2 to 3 drops of food coloring into
I think 3.
water. That's fine, do 3. Nope, ooh, that's good. Yep, we could just do 1. Or maybe. Yep, okay, yep, that's good. And then you get to mix it. Okay, and then next, Assistant Oliver is going to scoop water in. Maybe hold the funnel up against the side, up against the side. That's not up against the side. There, now that's up against the side. Thank you. This is what I say. You want me to get your smaller spoon then, buddy? It's okay if you spill. Maybe I should. You want me to help you? Keep it like up against the side.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
How do you feel about that? You want to keep adding water, or you think it's good?
I think I only wanted the funnel hole.
Yeah. Ooh, it's fine. It's fine. Oh my gosh. Go. Okay, we kind of made that a little cloudy because we both got a little bored and decided to just dump it in. But look, there's still some line. Solid division, that's pretty cool, man.
Does everybody like it?
Hopefully, we'll see. Okay, and next,
There's like a billion bubbles.
there's a billion bubbles. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we still have more stuff to put in there, Oliver. You know that?
Yeah.
What else do we have to put in there?
This.
Cool. Yeah, let's do the veggie oil. Veggie oil. Carefully. Oh, stop. That is a lot.
Is it put?
Well.
20 minutes later.
The bottom is clear because that is corn syrup. And then our next layer that looks kind of blue-purple is our soap.
Rose.
It is water mixed with rose food coloring. And then we have some, what's that on top of it?
Yeah, vegetable oil.
I'm very curious what will happen if we shake it. So I think we should put the lid on. What's gonna happen?
Cut the cactus.
Is it gonna change colors?
I think it's gonna look like greater.
It's gonna be better.
Yeah, babe.
Okay, let's put the lid on and then flatten that thing down at the top. Nope, flatten that down at the top. Yes, go, different direction, go. Okay, 1, 2, 3, discount double check. Did it spill?
No.
No, cool.
Is it cut? It's not. No.
Okay, let's shake it. Ooh, look at that go. That looks super. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, and now it looks all purple.
Yeah.
Cool.
The highest? No, it looks like.
It's pinkish purple with like some blue mixed in.
Yeah.
It's separating. Look, guys, it's separating. You see the bottom?
Yeah.
That's our corn syrup at the bottom. I'm curious if we leave it, if it will still, if it will separate back. Do you think it will separate back?
Yeah.
Listen, yes. Oliver said no.
The next day.
Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it. Shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. So this is day 2, right, Oliver? Of letting this sit and look. So we have corn syrup, water, and food coloring. What's the name of the food coloring? Rose. And then we had some soap that was blue, right? It was just regular old soap. And so when we shook it, it mixed our rose and our blue soap. And now it is pink. And you go ahead and shake away. Well, he's gonna shake and we will see what happens. But what do we say in the meantime? Over. Bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.